Guys, and welcome to another vlog. Hi guys, welcome back. In today's video we're just gonna go out and I'm gonna go grocery shopping. I've got a couple of errands to run, but I'm gonna take you guys along with me. We are kickstarting our healthy eating habits. Come along with me. If you are new to the channel, guys, welcome. If you are returning, guys, I love and appreciate your support. It's 2023. We are kickstarting our healthy eating habits because, guys, like I always say, it's always from the inside out. Whatever you put in will radiate out, that is mentally, physically, emotionally, whatever the case may be. Start from within and outwards. Okay, so guys, we are going to go through a transformation journey because I am last time I kind of shared with you guys my journey. I don't think I didn't really stick to it. Like, no, like I said, I'm a stress eater and I'm a bored eater. Not to say that I'm bored a lot, but life is stressful. Life is extremely stressful, but nonetheless, 2023 we are going to see transformation because that's what we want to see, transformation. There is no point of me preaching or talking about change. I've done it before. I've lost weight before. I know how to do it, but sometimes you get complacent, and I believe that's what I've been doing. I've been getting complacent with my journey, even though I still keep fit, even though I eat healthy, but I'm complacent. So today we're going to kickstart. I'm going to buy all things healthy, and I'm just cutting out sugar. I'm cutting out sugar. I don't really drink fizzy drinks, but yeah, anyway, follow me. Let's go. Thumbs up, click like, click thumbs up, like, and let's get on with this video.